Imagine a house where the landscape becomes an extension of your living space. A place where the river flows seamlessly into your infinity pool, and panoramic views stretch as far as the eye can see. This is the 35:35 slope house, a masterpiece of modern architecture nestled in the heart of Poland. Designed by the renowned 77 studio architecture, this house is a testament to the power of harmonious design. The building doesn't compete with nature, it embraces it. The horizontal block seems to grow organically from the slope, almost disappearing from certain angles. This creates a sense of intimacy and respect for the surrounding environment. The true marvel of the 35:35 slope house lies in its connection with the Vistula River. The infinity pool, meticulously designed to align perfectly with the river's elevation, creates an illusion of the water flowing directly into the house. This breathtaking visual effect blurs the line between the built environment and the natural world. Stepping inside the house, the feeling of tranquility is amplified. Large windows bathe the interior in natural light, further emphasizing the connection with the outdoors. The C-shaped layout creates a sheltered patio, a perfect haven for relaxation, while the lower level offers direct access to the lush garden nestled within the escarpment. Despite its unique design, the 35:35 slope house prioritizes functionality and comfort. The middle level houses the main living areas, offering stunning views and seamless access to the terrace and pool. The master bedroom with its open bathroom provides a luxurious retreat, while the lower level offers additional bedrooms and a connection to the private garden. The 35:35 slope house is a true celebration of nature's beauty. It stands as a testament to the power of architecture that respects and complements its surroundings, creating a unique living experience where the line between the built and natural world beautifully blurs. The 35:35 slope house is more than just a house, it's a harmonious blend of architecture and nature, a place where the breathtaking views and the feeling of tranquility come together to create an unforgettable living experience.